Now, we are trying to introduce a new fantastic software to send bulk WhatsApp messages. That is BotMaster messaging software. The interface of this software may vary according to its version and the options are increasing through versions. When the version is increasing, its option is also increased. We will describe about the version in various videos. If you are ready to buy this software, please subscribe this channel and you will get new updates and updates. First of all, we can discuss about the installation. This is a computer-based software, so we need Windows 10 or latest version of Windows. It will not work in Mac OS. In future, the software will update with Mac OS also. We can check the version of system Windows through these steps. Click Run or Combat Prompt, which will get from search bar in status bar. Then type WinVer in it and click Enter. Now we will get the version of our system Windows. We need Windows 10 2012 version or latest in it. It not work in other Windows, just like Windows 7, Windows 8 and so. We can update it to the latest version through Windows Updation. Now our system is ready to install BotMaster computer application. We can download the BotMaster software from the link in description of this video. Then double click on Setup File and continue with Next button while it shows Finished button. There is a chance to show the source is from unknown file. Don't mind it. You want to allow it and go ahead. Now we finished the setup process. Double click on BotMaster icon. Look, this is the BotMaster icon. It is loading now and we will get an interface like this. We already discussed about the color. Color will vary according to the version. In inactive software, we will get a box just like this. We will get a request key from here. Copy this key and go to form shown in description of this video and fill it. After a while, you will get demo license key to your WhatsApp number. The time may increase according to the number of requests. All the informations will get through WhatsApp, so confirm the data you entered in the form and no need of repeat the entry once you entered. This demo key validity is only 1 day, so you want to check your WhatsApp number for key. You want to copy paste the demo license key in the box under license key, then click on validate. So you will get registration details, but Your mobile number and email ID will not display there, and we will give a one dummy one due to security issue. Please neglect it. Then click on activate. You will get a message, license key activated. Click on OK. This is the activation process. This is about demo license key. If you have original license key, you can activate through the help button on the top bar. When you click on it, you will get your license. Paste the original license key on the space for license key and click on validate and activate respectively. The data displayed in this area is dummy due to security issue. Now you will get a message, license key activated. Click OK. This is the activation process for original license key. This is the installation process of BotMaster software. We want to discuss the other things in next video. If you are ready to purchase, please subscribe this channel and share it. Thank you.